Hi everyone. Welcome to the Bay Walk on the northern part of the 4th District of Pangasinan, Philippines, here at Bolosi, San Fabian Beach, my friends. As you know, a beach is a narrow, gently sloping strip of land that lies along the edge of an ocean, lake, or river. There are materials such as sand, pebbles, rocks, and seashell fragments cover beaches. Most beach materials are the products of weathering and erosion. Over many years, water and wind wear away at the land. If you will be asked, what can you say about the wonderful creations of God, this beach? Well, early this morning, I visited this place and the sunshine is the best medicine. Of course, the ocean breeze puts a mind at ease. As we dream in colors borrowed from the sea, we leave footprints of love and kindness wherever we go. The sky above, sand below, there is peace within. Wherever we go, let us bring our own sunshine. Thank you, San Fabian. Why do you love beach? The psychology of why we like beaches is definitely tied to the irresistible, all-around positive vibe that surrounds it. Why is the beach fun? Beach relaxes your mind. A leisurely walk along the beach decreases stress levels and boosts the production of endorphins, or the happy hormones. In fact, simply being near the beach improves well-being and promotes better health. Why is the beach a relaxing place? The heat of the sun, the sound of the waves, and your feet in the sand can help to fight off any feelings of anxiety and stress. Why is the beach better? Vitamin D is plentiful. No wonder people return from a beach vacation feeling healthy and refreshed. Vitamin D is absorbed directly through the skin from our plentiful sunlight. Sunscreen is still a must, but spending time in a sunny location like Sunset Beach is wonderful for your health and well-being. What makes the ocean calm? On those days, the ocean absorbs heat from the sun, creating a thin layer of warm, buoyant water, perhaps just a few feet thick. In this layer of warm water just below this apparently calm surface, a great deal is happening. Think of rolling waves, the warm sun, the smell of salt water, the feel of salt on your skin, and sand under your feet. Thank you so much to the wonderful creations of God. Beach is life.